Escape to the peaceful Alabama countryside with this charming hilltop farmstead offering over 14 acres of gently rolling, fully fenced land that's perfect for relaxation, recreation, or a future homestead. As you drive up the winding private driveway, you're greeted by a cozy one-bedroom, one-bath cabin-style loft home perched at the top, designed to blend rustic simplicity with the natural beauty that surrounds it. The home itself features a classic metal roof, a covered front porch, and warm wood accents, creating a welcoming space to unwind. Whether you're sipping coffee in the morning or watching the sunset over the treetops in the evening, the porch provides front row views of serene pastureland, shady groves, and fruit trees scattered across the property. Inside, the layout is simple, yet functional. It's perfect for those seeking a weekend escape, a quiet place to write or reflect, or a cozy base camp for hunting trips and outdoor adventures. The open space invites creativity and offers potential for personalization, whether you want to keep it rustic or modernize it with your own touch. Beyond the home, multiple outbuildings on the property offer practical storage solutions for tools, equipment, or supplies. A storm shelter located just steps from the back porch ensures added safety during rough weather, offering peace of mind all year round. The land is fully fenced, making it ideal for livestock, hobby farming, or even equestrian use. With wide open fields and wooded patches, there's plenty of room to roam, grow, and breathe. Whether you're looking for a private getaway or a foundation to build your dream home, this property offers both serenity and opportunity. It's also well suited for those interested in off-grid or sustainable living. Imagine waking up to the sounds of birds, breathing in fresh country air, and spending your days exploring your own land or tending to a garden under open skies. Tucked away, yet accessible, this Alabama retreat gives you the best of both worlds, quiet seclusion and a canvas for future growth. If you've been dreaming of wide open space, peaceful mornings, and a life more connected to the land, this farmstead may be exactly what you've been searching for.